Hi, my name is Myrna Wilkins. I have Stargardt's disease and I've been using my IrisVision for about a year. I'm actually a trainer for IrisVision, so today we're going to be working on my laptop. Now I'm going to adjust my magnification so that I could see my screen. And then what I normally do to use the mouse is I move it up to the corner where I could find it and then track it from there. Now if I want the device to read to me, I just go to Iris Reader, Iris Reader. And I'm there. All right, zoom in a bit.
Online readout. Once a lonely bondbull, HSBC's Stephen Major takes stock of this year's rally. His contention that longer-term structural issues would suppress.
And it read me the bold stuff because that's what I had it pointed to. That's one of the many ways I use my device with my laptop. And now you know that you could do the same thing. And just remember that your IrisVision is not just a tool, it's a lifestyle.